You in the back, pay attention. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you for the hat.
Stream is starting.
We're getting started.
Captain Coder at the helm.
The captain's driving the ship.
Clean water is ready.
We got decaf today, though.
Today we will learn a lot.
That's the plan.
He loves to question.
You know I love
He
them.
loves to sing.
I love those
Join our
words.
Discord.
Be sure to join that Discord. Like, subscribe, follow. You know you love it. You know you need it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you happen to be in the world. Captain Coder here on this beautiful Wednesday, folks. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you happen to be in the world. I am having a beautiful day. You want to know why? Any day I can wake up and hang out with the crew is a beautiful day. Lance, you missed it. Hang on. Let me get it for you again. Thanks for the hat, Lance. I hope it is a beautiful day, whatever time of day. I missed that item. Dramulks, good. You gotta be careful. Dramulks, it's all about that posh. You gotta get that ergonomic. If you're leaning in too close to the screen, if you're too close, you might get booped. Max Payne, welcome into the stream. It's so wonderful to have all you amazing people here on this beautiful day. Congratulations on your first Kill to Ninja exclamation point here to get those bonus points. I am doing absolutely wonderful, Max Payne. I hope you are having a beautiful day so far. I am up. I am ready to code. I'm ready to hop in. We got our monster maker. Essentially, we got all the features that we wanted to get into it. We managed to get into it. Today, we're going to be massaging out, working on a little website, a little write-up for it to help provide a set of challenges, a set of instructions to get started on it. I think we're going to port it to Godot 4.3. Godot 4.3 is coming out in 8 days. Eight days from now, Godot 4.3. And so I'm going to be using Godot 4.3 with my students. Let's go. That's right, Zaf 4.3. The official release is coming out in about 8 days, I think. 8 or 9 days. Coming out on August 8th. Today is the 31st, so depending on what, how you count, whether you start from 0 or 1, it's about 8 days away. And I'm super excited for that. So we're gonna do a little bit of report. We're gonna transfer it. I think everything's gonna work just fine in 4.3. One of the big things about going to 4.3 is I wanna be able to turn off shared buffer array on my web builds because my web builds don't work on Firefox. My Monster Maker doesn't work in Firefox, and that just makes me sad. Makes me so sad. We gotta make it work in Firefox. Vibes, welcome back to the stream. Vibe Game Dev. How the heck have you been? What have you been working on? Thank you so much for bringing your vibes here. Traxy, enjoy your lurk, my friend. Freedom Forge Studios. It's always a pleasure to see you, my friend. I hope your head's staying warm. Hope you got lots and lots of things. I know you're down there in the warm southern part of the country, so hopefully it's not too cold. Close enough to my birthday. Getting a Godot release as a present, I guess. Yeah. Zaf, I called them up. I was like, Zaf's birthday is right around August, little August. Can we delay it a little bit? Like, no, we got to get it out. It's going to be a little bit of an early birthday present for Zaf. Or maybe your birthday is a little bit is earlier than that. But yeah, I told them, look, Zaft, all Zaft wants for their birthday is Godot 4.3 to be released. Dramlux, I hope you're doing well, your game. I'm so excited to play. Thank you so much for hanging out. We had a lot of fun hanging out yesterday in the Discord. I started playing a game called Shadow Tactics, which is super cool. Michael, congratulations on your number 12. Welcome back, my friend. I hope you're doing well. Rust Floppy, it's a pleasure to see you. That Gamer, what have you been gaming? That Gamer, what have you been playing? You been playing anything fun? The Boozle Tactics, yeah, Shadow Booze Tactics. In the game, it's a tactics-based game. It's like a stealth ninja game. You play as like samurai and like a ninja, and then a guy that's a sniper, and you're walking through the field. And one of the guy's ability is he can leave a sake bottle out so that the guards go, oh, the guards get distracted. They go and they drink the sake, and then you whoosh, murder them. Shadow Booze Tactics is right. Tani, welcome back to the stream. Congratulations on number 13. Enjoy your lurk, my friend. Here for those points. That's right, folks. All you gotta do, exclamation point here, get those points, exclamation point lurk. Let me know that you're here for just the points. Let me know where your priorities are. I'm just kidding, Tani, I'm totally kidding. I hope you have a beautiful day. I know it's fun to have you here, my friend. You're absolutely incredible. Tani, you gotta send me a message on Discord so I can get you your prize money. You haven't messaged me on Discord with the information to get you your prize money yet. Be sure to message me so I can get that from you. Michael, it's great to see you. Max Payne, welcome back. Lance, thank you for the hat. Two nerdy nerds. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. All right, folks, we're gonna hop in. I'm super excited here. Oh, that bean water is so good. 3D Addict wants to get a hat. We'll try single exclamation point hat. 3D Addict, welcome back to the stream. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm surprised it doesn't work. Let's go. With the hat. Vibing games with the hat. Let's do it. Jamming with the date. Hashtag daily. Thank you for the hat. There's another hat. Oh, 3D Addict. Hang on. Here. 3D Addict. Here, I'm going to help you out. Points and 3D Addict. There you go. Let's siege you out. Let's get you started with some points here. That way you have the power. You're welcome. Anything for you, 3D Addict. I'm more of a 2D addict myself. Thank you so much for the hat. Let's get another hat added here. Look, it's like Who Lines Is It Anyway, where the points don't matter. It's all about the hats. Folks, let's hop in. Let's take a look. Before we get started, I do want to promote the Captain Coder, the solo game dev jam. Thank you for the bonus hats. Let's get another hat. Love, whose line is it anyway? Let's get another hat. Oh, wrong button. Extra hat. There we go. Thank you for the bonus hat. Welcome in, everybody. Don't forget to join. Consider joining the solo dev game jam number 4, hosted by myself and Practical NPC. Super excited. Coming up here at the end of August, 72-hour game jam, where you put your game dev skills to the test. That's right. you have something to show me, drop it in the Discord. If you're not on the Discord, feel free to drop it there. Discord, hang on, Discord. I typed out Discord the first time. Spelled Discord. Another jam, I think. GMTK, Ludum Dare, and brackets are all, there's always a game jam. Look. Are you looking closely? Are you looking closely? There's always a jam. My flash key's broken. Jams, look. There's a lot of jams coming up. If you guys ever are not, you guys ever need a game jam to join, just look over here, type itch.io.jams. Like, what do I want to do today? Fantasia jam. The Sixer game jam. Ryan Laley game jam. Look, you just go find a game jam. There's always something there. Don't forget Jern Jam. Yeah, Jern Jam coming up in September, folks. We need to get a command for Jern Jam. Kilted, what are the dates for Jern Jam? Jern Jam 3. You know, we're gonna be doing Jern Jam. You wanna know why? Because we're the reigning champion of Jern Jam 2. Jern Jam 2. I gotta come back. I gotta claim the title. I gotta keep it going. Look here. You remember? Hang on. What? I thought I won. I didn't win. What the heck? Did I not win this jam? How the heck did I think I won? I got 4th place. Never mind. I got first. Look at, I got first in all of these things. Uh-oh. I totally thought I won. I got first in 3 categories, so it's like I won. It's like I won. 4th place is the best place. Apparently I got 4th place. I thought I got 1st place. Yeah, looking, not even close. Not even close. I'm not even the top 3. I don't even get a bronze medal on this one. What the heck? How did I confuse myself on this? I got first overall. No, this one has a 4.61. I have a 4.0 rating. I'm not even close. It's a scam. I got scammed, Kilted Ninja. I was told a lie. Jern, why do I'm not gonna go participate in, no, I'm just kidding. That what it means, you were chosen for, Jern chose me as #1, gotcha. See, I gotta come back for the title. Jern Jam 3. See, I'd only been game deving for 10 months at that time. We're gonna come back, we're gonna have a whole nother year under our belts. Crush them, bring it in, destroy all the competition. In fact, don't even join this game jam, folks, because you have no chance of winning because I'm participating. No, I'm just kidding. Join Jern Jam 3, folks. Let's get it in here. I'm gonna make a command for this real quick. Commands, events. It's gonna be under, don't I have a promo, new, chat message, filter. The message contains matches a regular expression. Jern Jam. This is a bad idea. It's gonna conflict with everything. Chat message. It's gonna do it as me. It's gonna say me. Oh, my / button's broken. Me. Beep. Boop. Join Jern Jam 3, or else the most anticipated game jam of the are we in the 21st century? Starts. Be there or be a square shape. There we go. Jern Jam 3, folks. Jern Jam 3. Let's try it. Jern Jam. There it is. Join Jern Jam 3. Be there or be a square shape. Perfect. Easy peasy. We got it. All right. Dropped in the general channel. Let's check it out. Let me, just for safety, I like to do this little blur thing so people can't see, just in case, just to practice. Not that I don't trust you. It's for practice. Not sure to put this. Here it is. Hephaestus. Sorry, how do we pronounce it? Hephaestus. Let's look at this thing here. It's a long video. We're not gonna watch the whole thing. I hope that's okay. Do we need audio? Is there any audio? I don't hear any audio. Okay. Put my music back on. What is this? What are you working on? This looks great. The work in progress. Is this Unreal Engine? Which engine are you using? Or which game engine? Or is it home? You can play 2x speed? All right. It's true, I can. Unreal, nice. Nice, look at that. What's the plan with this? How long have you been working on it? I like that you can walk through the doors. Nice little interior. Just need to get the feel of it in the game. Nice. Unreal is just something else, right, Zap? You go and you're like, holy cannoli, this stuff looks great right off the bat. Right out the bat. So you're building this area. What type of game are you making? So far, about almost 300 hours. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's a long time to work on a project. I usually spend about a week on my projects. Space engineers, gotcha. This looks sweet. This looks really cool. What are you using for, so question, are you making the 3D models? Or are you using an asset pack for them? Where does this stuff come from? Still needs good taste in tweaking the parameters to make it look generic. Yeah, exactly. You're making all of this yourself. That's amazing. Holy cannoli, amazing, amazing work. I wish I was even half. I wish I could even get like slightly close to this amount of beautifulness in 3D. Nice work. Thank you so much for sharing this. Incredible stuff. Incredible stuff. Thank you so much for sharing here. We'll be released in the next few days. Let's go. Let's go. When you release it, be sure to share it on the Discord. We have the shared channel over there. All right, we got to go get Godot 4.3. Did you submit your game jam? GT, what do you mean? Did I submit my game jam? Oh no, I didn't participate in Pirate Jam 15. I just didn't have time. I got super sick too. So no, I did not participate in that particular. Let's just go to the Godot website. So I didn't participate in that game jam. How about you, GT? Did you? I know a lot of people did. We're gonna go to the, how do I get the latest versions? How do I find the beta version? See, preview builds, here we go. Yeah, I just didn't have time. Folks, don't forget, if you are participating in Mechanically Challenged, get that in today. Get your final submission in today. I know there's a few people out there hoping to submit it to. You click on previous versions, obviously, to get the latest. I know. It's true. It's true. All right, so we're gonna download. Show all downloads. Okay. Downloads for Windows Standard. They still have a 32-bit. That's wild. I think I might already have this downloaded somewhere. All right, we're gonna get 3. It's coming out in a few days. The non-beta, the full release here. We're on some documentation I will submit later. All right, but the build is already online. Let's go. I'm gonna have to get Unreal Engine downloaded and installed. And we gotta prep next month. Beegs is the challenger. Beegs has a challenge for us. I can't wait to share it. It'll probably be posted on Mechanically Challenged website early tomorrow. No stream tomorrow, but it will be posted there. So if people want to get started on it, they can. This is such an interesting file. This file name, it's godot.exe.zip. So it's a zip file here. Just download the build suite. Well, I want to look at the code as well, but yeah, we'll download the build. We'll take a look at it. A big part of it is looking at the code, seeing if we can understand how it works. This is one of the reasons I want to know how to use Godot better. Creates a .exe, .exe. That's hilarious. All right, let's go. That makes sense. A .exe on Linux and on sane systems, they don't have the executable extension. It's just marked as a binary. That was a joke, by the way. Don't get mad at me. It was just a joke. All right, Godot. Here, let's close this. We're gonna see if we can just open this up in Godot 4.3 and see what happens. Infinite Coder. How you been, friend? Welcome back to the stream. What have you been working on? Folks, go check out Infinite Code. Oh, that's... I'm going to give Infinite Coder... The tab got me. Go check out Infinitani. We're going to give Infinite Coder a shout out here in 2 minutes as well. I did it. I did it. Okay. If I open this in 4.3, let's see how we do. Let's see how we do. I might have... Do I have Firefox installed still? Silly Goofy Mushroom. Mushroom Man, welcome back. I love that name. I love that name, the Silly Goofy Mushroom Man. It's like the wacky waving inflatable tube man, but better. But better. All right. Godot 4.3, here it is. Here it is. Does it work? Will it build? Infinite Coder, how that we been? Congratulations on your number 15, my friend. Congratulations on number 15. All right, everything seems fine. I was pretty sure it would just work. I didn't think there'd be any issues. Because I'm not using any fancy features or extensions or anything like that. Okay, let's go into one of the things I want to do is threaded support. It's off by default. Oh, there's no, all right. So we're gonna have to manage these. Download and install. We'll get 4.3 build. I want to check to see if this will work in Firefox. And the other one is it doesn't work on, I can't get it to these, you cannot use the shared buffer array to deploy on GitHub pages. Not allowed. Not allowed. So that is like a big no for me, for like my students for deploying. It has to work on pretty much as many browsers as possible. Firefox is too major of a browser. And then we often deploy, I always actually deploy almost everything to GitHub pages. So that's a thing that just like has to exist for me. But 4.3 is going to do it. It's because you have to modify the headers. You have to be able to modify the headers that the server is sending to allow the cross-origin. You have to specify cross-origin isolation so that the threads can talk to each other, threads, so the web workers can have the shared buffer working between each other. So it's yeah, I understand why there's actually a major vulnerability with shared buffer arrays, it turns out. Okay. Let's go into, nope, that's not what I want. I got this. Let's go ahead and do our export. I think by default thread support's off. Yeah, the betting on their own horse explains a lot of that. Explains a lot of it. It was an interesting read. I hope, Zaft, I'm hoping that they'll have some of the sound issues resolved. Because, yeah, well, anyway, I'm sure they will eventually. I'm sure they will eventually. Let's go ahead and export this. Okay, and I want to see from the Sound Horror 4.3. Okay, RC1 is mostly good. Good. That means that the actual release will be mostly good as well. I do want my students to be able to. All right, let's go into our builds. Let's see if this works here. It does. Maybe. Loading. There it goes. It does work. Hang on, let me pull it up over here. Turns out this is my default browser. So it loads locally, which gives me some confidence. That scaling is kind of wild. Let's go over to Firefox. Let's see, Firefox. Did I uninstall Firefox? There's no way I uninstalled Firefox. Come on. Come on. There it goes. I didn't uninstall Firefox. I didn't. I did get fed up with it and I stopped using it, but I didn't uninstall it. Here, we're gonna go load it here. Scorched Earth, I did get fed up with it. Okay. There, so this will work in Firefox. Okay, beautiful. The scaling is so crunchy. Look how crunchy that scaling is. Yeah. Why is the scaling so crunchy in the web? Any ideas why it's so crunchy? On the last version, it wasn't that crunchy, was it? Let's go look here. Let's go look here. On the previous version, maybe unset your project settings filter. Ah, that might be it. That might be it. It's just surprising how crunchy. Here, let's see if it's crunchy on the desktop build. Yeah, it's crunchy here as well. Maybe it was crunchy the whole time. This would be our anti-aliasing. Yeah, it's disabled. That's fascinating. It's all disabled. I wonder if we could set this to... I don't need that for this one. TA enables temporal anti-aliasing for the default screen viewport. It's only available with forward plus render. Okay. Yeah, no anti-aliasing is what's making it look so crunchy, I believe. Still crunchy. Oh, hang on. 2D MSAA is not supported. Might be nearest. Let's go look at that. What setting it does under textures? It's set to linear. Linear is the correct one, right? I kind of want to go back and see. Hang on. Let's go to here. Here's how we can test it. We can go to what is already uploaded on my monster maker. Captain Coder monster. My slash key doesn't work. Monster maker. Let's see if this... Here, let's edit game. Maybe it was crunchy the whole time and I just didn't notice. Maybe it was crunchy the whole time and I just didn't notice. Click to launch full screen. Linear should be right. It was crunchy the whole time. It's been crunchy the whole time, and I just never noticed the crunch. It feels really crunchy. The scaling is fascinatingly, like particularly bad. Anti-aliasing. 2D MSAA is not supported for GLE3. Yeah, that's interesting. Does the crunchiness feel bad or does that seem okay? I know that Unity, so this is not me doing I am doing a little bit of a comparison. I'm just not used to it getting so crunchy with scaling. Unity, when I've done builds in Unity, Unity does this really interesting thing where it actually takes your images and like makes a bunch of different, resizes it a bunch of different ways to optimize it so that you don't get that crunchiness to it. That's okay though. We'll leave it. We'll leave it. This seems to be fine. The web build, let's get that new web build out. Let's go ahead and zip it up. And then I want to actually work on the window project settings. Window, I think I just had it stretch viewport. Keep aspect, because that's what I want. I want it to keep that size. I don't want it to actually just scale the window up. I want to actually scale these things up. It doesn't need to be pixel perfect. It just feels like particularly crunchy. Yeah. Silly goofy mushroom man. Thank you for the hats on this greatest day. Thank you for the hat. Let's go. All right, I'm okay with that. Let's get this build up on the itch. We can scratch it. I'll scratch that itch. Just so you guys can watch what I'm doing here. I'm selecting all of these. I'm zipping it. I'm just gonna upload it. Potatops, welcome to the stream. Finally finished. I finally got 4 hats. Now let's go. I'm on top of the world with the king of hats. Let's browse Twitch. Oh, dear Lord, not again. It's okay. You'll get there. You'll get there. I always did that with start. Ooh, there's a start. I've never done it. Today I learned, let's start. Today I learned about start. I didn't know start did anything. What does start do? There's no man page. Yeah, Explorer will let you open up a folder as well. Does start just, it like tries to open the file, and since it's a folder, it opens it up, my guess? Gotcha. Gotcha. Explorer means open, specifically want to open the location. So I think if I do Explorer on index.html, index.html, it looks like it does the same thing. Interesting. I thought this would open up the folder there and have it selected. I was wrong. Cena, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that name right. If I'm not, always try and pronounce people's names as correctly as I possibly can, but I'm still bad at it. So try not to be too mad. Great to have you here on this beautiful Wednesday. Hope you're having a beautiful Wednesday. Welcome to the stream. Okay. Let's make sure this will launch on Firefox. I closed Firefox. Let's open it back up. And I don't want it to open in this window like this. I don't think. Let's make sure it works in the Firefox. I guess we could have it scale up. Does it matter? Probably doesn't matter. It's kind of cool that it opens up in its own window. Maybe. The thing that's nice about it opening up is that's F11. Does F11 not do full screen? All right, it works there. So it works in Firefox. F11. What? Since when is F11 not full screen? Hang on, is it just that Godot? That's so weird. Godot tabs, games that are running in Godot, I can't press F11 to go full screen. What? That's bummer. That's a bummer. It's a little trick I like to use on itch games. On itch.io games. So you know how on itch.io, I don't know if you've ever done web builds, the escape key, when you go full screen, the escape key does weird stuff. I have to add, but now I have to add a GD script to do it. I'm sure I could do it, but I want F11 to go full screen. I'm surprised. That's annoying. Because that's a button that I want my web browser to do. I want to be able to press F11 to go full screen so that the escape key will work in the web browser. Because if you just have the web browser go, here's the thing, if you just tell the web browser to go full screen, the escape key exits full screen. And that's not what I want. Tony, welcome back to the stream. Congratulations on your number 16, not too shabby. It should be something by default with web builds. That's okay. That's okay though, but we do have a monster maker, folks. If you guys want to go make a monster, now you can. Now you can. Let's update this page a little bit to be a little bit nicer, add a few little things to it so people know what's going on in it. I haven't written a little description here, but we're gonna go and do it. This file will be played in the web browser. There we go. Let's reload, save, reload. I don't need shared buffer array anymore. All right, so we're gonna publish this out so people can use it. Let's make a couple monsters with it. Folks, go make some monsters. Go make some monsters so I can help me make some screenshots. Let's make some monsters. If you make a monster, 250 points. You make a monster, post and do the export, post it in the Discord. We're gonna get some screenshots in here. First 5 people to make a monster for me, we'll get you some bonus points. Because we're gonna take some screenshots of this thing so that we can add them into into the project. So let's make a monster together here real quick. All right, I like this shape. Let's change them to this arm. Let's move that arm up. We're gonna make this guy up, kind of goofy. There we go. Nice and up like that. Let's bring the arms out a little bit. Maybe we'll flip it out this way. Yeah. Raise those arms up in the air, wave them like you just don't care. There we go. Let's make this one one of these guys. So he's pointing. Let's change these eyes. Let's give him some creeper eyes. There we go. There we go. Clayman. Oh, Clayman Dev. Thank you for raiding into me today. Do you guys know Clayman? The incredible, wonderful, amazing Clayman Dev making epic hero game. Go check out epic hero game, folks. You know you want to. You know you need to. You want a game that's epic about a hero where you can shoot kamehamehas, where you can shoot, when you can throw spirit bombs. You're going to want to play this game, folks. Don't miss out on it. Clayman, if you got a raid and run, no worries. Tell us all about your stream. What were you working on? What'd you get done today? Folks, go give him some love. Get that wish list in. We are working on a monster maker in Godot here. Anyone who wants to make a monster, please do so. We're going to make some screenshots here. We make a monster. And if you click this export button, it'll actually download it as a PNG file. Oh, maybe he's winking. Oh, look at that. We're going to make a winking monster. Yeah, winking monster. Let's change these. Let's give him some horns. Oh, maybe we make it a little hat. Can make it a little hat. Yeah, he's gonna be wearing a little hat here. That's what we'll do. Make it a little wizard hat. There he is. Little wizard hat. We'll get rid of this left antenna. Go away, you. No, I said go away. Go away, you. Click. So hard to set this to 0 in the web build. Monster Like Glory reminds me of Spore. Yeah, so we made this Monster Maker tool. It'll be a project for my students. Little Monster Maker where they're gonna be able, they're gonna make this as a class project. So we're setting up our itch page here to have some little description stuff on it. So I'm looking for people to make some new monsters for me, so we can get them as screenshots. This is a little too dark. Let's change. Let's find a better body color. I'm gonna get rid of the snot on this one. Snot free. Snot free. Oh no, I got rid of the nose. That's not what I want. We need the nose, because only the nose knows. I want to get rid of the snot, make him snot free. There we go, no snot. Give him the green nose. All right, let's see. Let's give him a fleshy tone. A fleshy. There we go, flesh-ish. Go ahead and add that swatch in here. Add this to our arms. Add it to our arms. Let's make these, let's give him some blue pants. Blue pants and shoes, there we go. Add that swatch. Right leg, swatch it up. It's Randy Orton. Randy Orton, there we go. All right, we're going to export this. We're gonna go ahead and save as Randy Orton. There we go. We got a Randy Orton. It's gonna be one of our screenshots. So now on our itch page, you can upload a cover. It should be in my downloads here. Randy Orton. There we go. There's our Monster Maker screenshot. All right, let's make another monster. Let's make another one. All right, let's flip those arms. Make him a crab person. Make him a crustacean. Go in here, JD. Welcome back to the stream. We're gonna. Do I have permission to use the monster you made, JD? I know you sent a monster the other day. JD sent a monster. Oh, we're gonna download this one. This one came out good too. Oh, this one's just like a screenshot. Mr. Crab. Where did you send it? I can't remember. Let's find the JD. From JD. That's not gonna do anything here. Maybe it was in the art channel. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. JD making a little monster here. JD monster. JD for your contributions. JD does art. JD does death for your contributions. 500 points, my friend. 500 points. Ascendiary Arcade, welcome back to the stream. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Nano Dev, it's wonderful to have you here as well. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. We're adding in some screenshots here. JD Monster. There we go. All right, here we go, folks. JD, drop a link to Sudi for us. Drop a link to Sudi for us so I can open it up on Steam. I gotta make a Sudi command. Yeah, go check, folks. JD Does Dev, working on a game about a bear who is really upset when people start fires in the wood. Go click on that link, folks. Sudi's Revenge. Add it to your wish list. You know you need it. You know you want it. We're gonna make this guy a crab. Make him a crab here. There we go. That's what crabs look like, right? 90 degrees. Make it a little bit more red in the middle. All right. What type of foot should this crab have? There we go. Well, I should make it so you can put hands as feet. That would be cool. There we go. Swamp out the eyes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. We'll go ahead and flip this. Rotate that nose upside down. Yeah, baby. Yeah, buddy. A little bit off kilter there. Let's change the mouth. Let's rotate that. There we go. There we go. Our monster maker. It's coming together, folks. It's really coming together. Let's move this over here. Rotate it down. Move it up. Yeah. Yeah. Positive 37. Uh-oh. That should be -8. Positive 37. And then move it up a little bit. Rotate it out. Perfect. I got a little MIDI controller so I can make some creepy music. Let's go. You know I love me some creepy music. You know I love creepy music. It's creepalicious. Creepalicious, JD. Maybe. Look, I don't know. Sometimes words just come out of my face. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add this. Can I move this further to the right? Yeah, I can. Let's move it to the right, move it down. Rotate it around. Here we go. Have it coming out like that. Let's get that other antenna. It's gonna be one of these. Let's give it the full alpha. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Let's move. Didn't mean to move the arm. I'm the wrong thing. Like left antenna. Bring it over. Bring it down. It's got some weird armpit hair, but that's okay. It's okay. Sometimes people's armpit hair is weird. Sometimes it happens. There we go. We got another monster for us. Do you have any gameplay plan for this, or is it just just a monster crafting tool? So this is a class project. Father's Milk, welcome into the stream. This is just a class project. The goal of this class project is to teach students about UI elements, about sliders, buttons, clicking on things, and then it has it modify stuff over here. So we're learning about UI elements in Godot. That's the purpose of this project. So we're gonna call this guy, let's give this guy a name. What's this guy's name? Someone tell me, what are we gonna name it? What are we gonna name it? Give me a name. I need a name. Somebody give me a name. APOC, let's go. Thank you for the hat. Let's get another hat added to the stack. Perfect. Perfect. Bonker, I like it. Bonker. There we go. There we go. Let's add Bonker in here. Bonker. There we go. Get some screenshots for our monster maker. We need some more. Do we got any more? Folks, if you made a monster, post it in the art channel. You can make your own monster. You can make a monster too. This is working a vampire. So this is such a cool project. These assets are so fun. There's so many interesting things we can do. I really need a randomize button that will randomize the different elements and colors, but I'm leaving that as a bonus. Yeah. That's the ticket. I'm leaving that as a bonus feature. Here, let's refresh this page. All right. Now let's use this shape. Ooh, that's a good shape. That's a good shape. Let's give it a little bit of a blue color. Add this as a swatch. All right, let's go ahead and set some colors here. Set some colors. I guess I could have used the starter guy as well. But yeah, we're using the Kenny asset here. Let's go with it already has the big antenna. Let's just move these up. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Move it up. What the height should we put this? Negative 26. Negative 26. Boom. Got it. Let's give these guys some fun eyes. Do I like the eyes like this or like this? 1 or 2? 1, 2. 1, 2. Goes like this, like looking to the side. Goes like this. He's looking straight ahead. 1. All right, we'll go with 1. Let's give him. Can we make him have a unibrow? Bring these up. Pull it in. Rotate this down a little bit. Bring this other eyebrow. We're gonna flip it. Nope, nope. Don't need to flip it. But we will rotate it. Give this guy the nice unibrow. Yeah, buddy. There it is. You're welcome. You're welcome. Right, move it over just a little bit. 2 looks like he's kind of hitting the head a few too many times. Look, that's just what they look like where he's from. And we'll have the eye droop down a little bit. Here, does this fix it? Did that fix it? Uh-oh. Now make it better, worse, or the same? Got the yellow nose. Why do we put this up here? Oh no. Silly Goose says it looks like he got donked. Donk SF. I'm not familiar with that sound effect. Or special effect, I'm not sure what that word really means. How do we do? How do we do? What do you guys think? I'm still hungry, Clayman. That just, you know what that means? That means you got to eat more. You just gave me an idea for a tutorial. Can I use this tool to create a sprite sheet and show how to? JD, you don't need my permission. This stuff is all open source. All open source. This is a Kenny asset. Do what you're gonna do, my friend. If you want to give me credit for something, go for it. But you don't have to. You don't have to. Let's make the arms a slightly lighter color. Maybe? Like that. Oh, I didn't ask. You put the question mark there. Sorry. You just gave me an idea. Oh, I thought I didn't see the I can use. I thought you said can I. I had them swapped. Thank you. Yeah, I was like, yeah, you don't need. I thought I was like, why do you need permission from me to do anything? Yeah, there we go. Bring this guy in. Make these nice and low. Like there. Look. There we go. This is so cool. I think this asset is going to be great for doing like having students do like little animations or setting some fun, like so many fun things up. There we go. There we go. Let's swap out the color for these. Just give them a slight contrast to the body. I'm gonna move these down just a hair. There we go. Export it. Someone give me a name. We need a name for this guy. What's this guy's name? Someone name him. Someone name him. Ralph. Ralph it is. Gregory Ralph. Billy Bob will be our next one. All right. Billy Bob will be our next one. Let's add it. How many? We need a few more screenshots. Gregory, apparently it didn't save. Oh no. Go back. Export. Save as. Gregory Ralph. Saved. Thick McRun Fast. Thicky McRun Fast. Gregory Ralph. Boom. Got him. All right, let's do another body. I like flipping this one upside down so it looks like an egg. Okay. Let's get some different eyes in here. Maybe we get one of these. And, oh, maybe we do some X's. Oh, there we go. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good one. Let's give him some ears. Yeah, we're gonna give him some ears. And then this will be hair. We'll make this be hair. Uh-oh. Didn't mean to do that. Bob Johnson. JD. JD with the names. That's why we call you the namer. JD the namer, the does dev. That's what they call you. All right, let's move this out to the side. Make it a little bit like that. JD does naming, it's true. That's what I've heard. That's what I heard from the bird. Moving out to the side here. I like, let's go with the red nose maybe. Do it this way. I'm gonna get rid of the snot. Can I make the snot look blue? I have the wrong thing selected maybe. I can. Ooh, can I make it like, here we go. Here's what I'm gonna do. Can I get the snot dripping out of the ear? Oh, I can't quite because the we don't have an option to change. Switch to a smaller one. Can I make it bluish? There we go. Let's change the mouth. Ah, that one's good. You can see your skew scale slider. So I'm gonna leave that as bonus for the students to add. So I don't want to give students everything, right? So one of the things is giving students the freedom to customize it. So I'm basically trying to give them a sort of minimal set of, would be like the minimum they have to do with the project. And then the goal with the students, so scale is one that I really want to add. It would help making these things. But I think by not adding it into mine, it actually empowers the students when they add it to theirs. Yeah, so it's gonna empower, that's the idea, is it empowers the student when they add it theirs, be like, oh, look at how cool this was, this thing that I came up with, right? This guy's a gorilla. This guy's a gorilla. All right, let's pick a color. What color do we want this guy to be? Go with a greenish color. So first thing I noticed, which was having no scale when creating one. Yeah, having a scale I think would be super helpful. And I think that's gonna be one of the, so essentially when I make the projects, I'm gonna give them things and then say, okay, here are some challenges. Here are some challenges for you to complete. Add in a scale slider. Add in a button to do X, Y, Z. Add in a variety of different things. What are some things that we could add to it to make it better, right? And so not every students will be the exact same. Exactly, it gives them a bunch of new things to look at. All right, vibe, is this, I'm gonna name this one Billy Bob, is that okay? Billy Bob, there we go. You sent me something in the art channel. Let's go, Scully. Look at Scully, everybody, this one's great. We got Scully. Scully. Love it. That came out fantastic. And so students actually will learn better by doing that. So this is one of my complaints with tutorials, is that they don't always encourage you. And in fact, I think most of them don't. Uh-oh, I opened 90 things. They don't always encourage. Look at Scully. Let's go, Vibin. This is yours points, and Vibin, 500 points. Thank you so much for Scully. Came out great. Where's Molder? We gotta make a Molder now. All right, let's add screenshot. Billy Bob. Add screenshot. Scully. These are great. Oh, they're gonna have so much fun with this project. Okay, now I gotta add a little description here. Let's get the link to the Kenny assets as well. I always type Kenny wrong. So I want to add in a source here for the Kenny assets. Oh, use Ascendance, you said Scully. Vibe, where did you send it? Where did you send it? Oh, I thought the name was, and oh, Vibin. Let's go. This isn't where add this one as well. Vibin in DMs, got it. What's this guy's name? What's this guy's name? Let's open it up. Raccoon Game, welcome back to the stream. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Look at that guy. We become potentially, like in my mind, Fuzzy McBoogers, it might be the name. Gobliny, we got it. Gobliny, perfect. All right, that was like a JD Does Dev name. Gobliny, let's add it. There we go. Thank you guys so much. If anyone else has some screenshots they want to share, we can get them added on here. All right, so I want to make sure that we add in Kenny asset pack here, monster builder pack here, just to make sure that we have that. Goblinly, the suit goblin. Free points, that's right, points. And Vibin Games, 500 points. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Monster, I'm gonna go into the HTML here. Let's do this. I usually do it like this. Make der itch. Go in our itch page. I'm gonna code index.html here. And I like to write my project here in HTML to make it so that my itch page looks a little nicer. I'll do an H1 monster maker project. This is an example. This is a craft incredible monsters with the Monster Maker 9001 SUX. All right, the Monster Maker 9000 SUX 9001. Thank you for the follow, Ali Mod. Ali Mod. Thank you for following me today. You know, Ali Modco. Welcome to the crew today. Thank you so much for the follow. Happy to have you here on this beautiful Wednesday, my friend. Yeah, it works great, Kilton. Brought to you by OCP SUX. And we'll do a little bit about this simple monster maker was created. This simple monster maker uses Kenny's, let's call it Kenny's Monster Builder Pack. Monster Builder Pack. And then we'll link to it. Ahref equals like this. Close this side here. We'll do a target equals blank like that. Link. You can find the source code made with Godot as a class project. You can find the source code here. And we'll go link to the GitHub repository. Capcoder, this is Monster Maker Godot. Ahref, boom, target equals blank, link. All right, so this is the base part of it here. We're gonna add in like so. Boom, save, view page, like that. Let's have some basic text here for it. We're gonna write a little tutorial on how to make this project, or at least get started with tutorial. Tutorial is the wrong word. We're gonna write a class project that has some steps that explains how to get started on it. Let's go ahead and edit, edit the theme. Okay. Let's, I kind of want to make this be embedded in the page rather than being full screen. We're going to do an embed. What are the sides here? Can never quite remember the size. Project settings, 1152 by 648. 1152, 648. I'm sure I'll start remembering that. Like so. We got the freedom. All right, save it on our Monster Maker page. Edit the thing. We're gonna say make our screenshots be a sidebar. There they are. There's our monsters. There's our monsters. We need to make a banner for it. Let's make a banner. Let's go to Inkscape. Inkscape. We're gonna make a banner for our Monster Maker. All right, let's, I need to make it so that this doesn't show up as the default. I use this though. Okay. Let's change our document properties. Let's make it, let's do by pixels. How big do we want this to be? 11 width, 1152. And then a good ratio on that might be 200. Let's try 256. There we go. Do Monster Maker there. That's Patrick. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Great to see you on this beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. Beautiful Wednesday. Monster Maker. Like that. Let's get another hat on the stack. Let's go. Let's hat it up. Let's hat it up. Thank you for the hat, Patrick. Let's do it. Well, how do you think? What do you think? How do I look? How do I look, Patrick? Looking good, all right? Looking good. Looking good. I like to think I'm looking good. But look, it's really up to you. We want to center. Where's the center? Center like that. But before I go, let's get another hat. Kilton, thank you for the hat. Braxton, stunning. Stunning indeed. Thank you for the hat. Let's go. Kilted, thank you so much for your lurk. Enjoy your day, my friend. Lance with the bonus hat. We're getting attacked. Lance with the bonus hat. Patrick with the bonus hat. Braxton with the good morning. Hope you're doing well, Braxton. I hope things have been well. What have you been up to? Thank you so much for the hats. There we go. Tony with another hat. Oh boy, oh. Hang on, my room's not, slow down. My room's not big enough. We got one hat. We got two hats. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here, let's do it this way. Putting this one down here. We're under attack. We're under hat attack. Are we breaking a record, APOC? We had like 40 hats yesterday. I think yesterday might have been the most. Not wearing, but that's how many hats we had. Thank you guys so much. It's too. My arms aren't long enough. You guys gotta slow down. Thank you for all the hats. There we go. There we go. Thank you for the hats. We're doing it. Monster Maker here. And I think I have a font called, I thought I had a monster font. Horror. Ooh. Which ones are my monster font? I used to have a monster font. It might not be installed here. Coaxed, welcome back. Congratulations. Thank you for the hats. You guys are crazy. All right. We're getting close here. We're getting close. All right, this hat, let's bind this in here. We got one hat. The Hat Man has returned. Quacks with one hat. And then a bonus hat. Let's get the bonus hat on here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the hats. Perfect. We got our Roar beanie. There we go. It's the Hat Man. Scooba-Doo-Bee, Scooba-Doo-Bow. Monster Maker. I like this font. Monster Maker 9001 SUX. All right, so 9001 SUX. All right, we can scale this thing up to be as big as we need it to be. And I add a little gradient to it to make it nicer. Make it fancy. Make it fancy. Gradient. Let's try a gradient. What do we think? Gradient coming out from the center? Yeah, that might look pretty good. Your neck will have all. It's true. It's true. That's why we do this. We got never skip neck. You got to engage the spine. Engage the spine. That's what I was telling people the other day. Make sure you engage this. If you're not engaging your spine while you're working out, you're not doing it right. Why is this doing nothing? There we go. Oh, the color is on that outline.
I got that fix.
Gotta get that fix. It's true. Oh, that's fascinating that the color of this font, the Monster Maker 9001 SUX. What do you guys think about this? Thank you so much. You guys are hilarious. You guys are great. Let's do some headbanging. Yeah. This is good for my neck. Yeah. Oh no! Oh no! What have you done? What have you done, APOC? APOC! Maybe I should have done some headbanging. Smash the stack, APOC. I'm sorry, folks. I'm sorry that you had to be here to witness such a horrendous event. Such a horrible, challenging event here. I don't know. Oh, our hat stack has been destroyed. Never out of control. All right. Do I like this font? Maybe I'd use a slightly different font. This font feels not like quite what I want. Can I? Cloud of disapproval. You don't approve on that one, silly goof. All right, monster. I thought I had a cool like horror font. I gotta squint at these. The fonts are so small in here. Nope, not that one. Not that one. What happened to my cool monster font? Must be called something weird. I swear it was called Monster. Gaudy Medieval. That one's too fancy. What have you done? Dagger Square. Dagger Square's okay. Dragon Hunter. Dimitri. Dimitri's pretty good. That one's too fancy. Too fancy. Oh, I like that one. Oh man, I must not have it installed on this computer. Monster Maker, this one's pretty good. I'll use Comic Sans. What do you guys think about that one? I like that one. Oh, I'm editing this. Okay, so if I set the set stroke, set fill. The fill is so interesting on this. I kind of like that one. I wish we might have to turn it into a shape so I can color it. I should absolutely use Comic Sans, but look, this one's like a monster. It's like wood. I like this one. I like this one. See what? Let's compare them. Let's duplicate it. We'll make this one. We could do this one, or see what Comic Sans looks like. Comic Sans. No way. Which one's better? Which one's better? Which one do we like more? For our Monster Maker here. If we're doing a title here, which one's better? The wood? I think so too. I think so too. We put it to a vote though. We put it to a vote. Do we like Monster Maker like this? Or Monster Maker like this? Which one? Sijini! Sijin, welcome back to the stream. Great this year. Congratulations on your number 20. Did you guys know Sijian was my 1,000th, 2,000? It was also my 3,000. I'm going to update your Sijian command. Where's the Sijian command? Events. Member commands. Sijian is not in here. Where's Sijian? Sijian. Where do I have you? That's probably why I didn't update it. Oh, it's because it's right there. I'm just blind. There's our 1,000th, our 2,000th. Not only was downright. Not only that, but Stygian was the Captain Coder's 3,000th follower. There we go. It's true, JD. This is true. This is true. All right, Stygian, there we go. Now it speaks only the truth. Perfect. Perfect. Stygian, I hope you've been well. What is this command? Why? What does this command exist? Because you're the 3,000. You did all these amazing things for us. You did all these amazing things for us. All right, I would like to make this have. It's slightly annoying that the color of this is like transparent. I want to have. Let's duplicate it. Can I do the following? Path, object to path. If I do that, still can't set the color. Thank you for the lurk, Tani. Can I do a thing? I want to get the color in there better. Send that to the back. Can I do this? Where I will do intersection. No. I want to cut. Clip. I'm not going to be able to do what I want to do. I would like to have it so that this is filled in. I could maybe do this. It's going to be a lot of work. And not actually be that good. Too bad the wood here is not filled in like that. It's crazy annoying. Set stroke. Set fill. Habuka, welcome back to the stream. Happy Wednesday, my friend. We're working on creating our page here for the Monster Maker project. I'm creating a little title for it now to put at the top here. And so I was trying to select a font that I liked. I like this font, but the color on it is bad. So the font here is actually, if I want to change the color, it actually is the outline of it and there's no way to fill in the inside of it. So unfortunately, I don't know. So we have the Monster Maker 9000 SUX. That's the name of this project, the 9001 SUX. So we're trying to find a font that we like. I thought I had a monster font. Can I just click down? There we go. Now we can go through all of them. See if we can find our monster font. Monster Maker. These are all fonts that I have the rights to use. All right, I should have. I like the comic one a little bit too. I should have like a scary one in here somewhere. That one's not bad. Monster. What do you guys think about this? We could do the Monster Maker. Have it like the hostage kidnapping one. I'm a big fan of Inkscape. Earwig is pretty good. We're gonna save that one as an option. All right, that one's not bad. That one I find hilarious. That one's not too bad. So I have to have, if I want to put it somewhere, I need the rights to it. I have these are all fonts that I own. These are all fonts that I own and I'm allowed to use. And like so the answer is I'm not looking for fonts. I'm trying to find a font that I like that feels like it matches the project well. We could go find some new fonts. But it turns out you typically, if you're using one free fonts or anything like that, you're kind of not supposed to use it in projects that you might be monetizing. I had a horror. There it is. Mrs. Monster. This is the one I want. Monster Maker 9000. This is the one I wanted from the get-go. There we go. The Monster Maker 9001 SUX. There we go. What do you guys think? That's what we're gonna do. Let's do an export of this selection. We'll go and export this over here. It's perfect, Braxton. I agree. That's why I bought this one. Yeah, that's true too. That's true too. Let's go to our Git. Exactly, Braxton. That's what I was going for. Godot. This would be Captain Coder, Godot. This would be Monster Maker. Let's go to our itch page. We're gonna call this Monster Maker title. Do it as a PNG. Also, I should just save. I should save this in general. Save as. Sorry, bear with me just a second. I don't want to reveal my file system to you guys. It's mostly out of I'm trying to make this a habit when I'm browsing my file system. Monster Maker source. Nope, not source. Itch. We'll call this title. There we go. All right, let's add this to our top banner. You make a monster generator. That's essentially what this thing is. You can use this to make your monsters. It doesn't randomly generate them, but you can use it to create them, and it's using the Kenny asset. That's essentially what we're doing with this. Unless you have it, what would you say a generator? If it's not, when you say generator, what more would you expect from it? It doesn't do a random generation, so generator might not be the right word. Monster Maker, itch, title. There we go, the Monster Maker 9001 SUX, folks. You saw it here first. Let's give it a little border. It needs a little bit of extra space around it. Let's take these, we'll move them down. Monster Maker. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say it's a little bit too wide. Scale, stop. Scale down just a little bit. Just a little bit, like want the alignment, it's trying to align things. All right, so now let's center this like this on the page. And then let's change the page document properties. We'll change it so it's not quite as tall. Let's go with 150. That way we can have the little border around it. If you want to, you can turn off alignment. Yeah, I know I can turn it off. It's this button, right? I just have to turn that off. Export the page. Let's go at 90. Not exporting as Goonrilla. This is one thing that drives me crazy about Inkscape. Is it always wants to go to it always feels like it goes to some random folder when I'm doing exports. So let's go find our Git repository real quick. Re-export this as PNG. Monster Maker title. Okay. It always feels like it wants to go to some random page. Remove image, upload a new image. Monster Maker. There we go. Oh, I need to make a transparent background. All right, export one more time. For me, it always feels like it goes to, so here, if I click export here, now it's in the right spot. Let's go to document, selection. Now it's doing it. Now it's okay. It feels like it feels super random to me. Because I'd already exported it once to the folder I wanted it to, and now it's going somewhere else. re-upload this. Oh, maybe it is. Have that background here. Let's change the background color here. Okay. So make this background black. Make this background black like that. I might need to change. Let's run this here. We might try and just make it sort of a gray color. To try and match the Godot gray. Kind of like black. Black feels okay. This one here, a little bit like that. Font size, very large. Font color, white. Link color, pinkish. Change our font to Google font. Forget which one I like. That one feels okay. A little hard to read. Nerd Waffle, how you been, friend? Welcome back. Hope you're having a beautiful day. What are you up to? No, not that one. There's a... There it is. A Leo. Nice and soft serif font there. Monster Maker. Let's go. How was your experience in that one? How did it go? How was your experience, Nerd Waffle? Did you have fun? All right. We got that in. We got our Monster Maker page set up here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's interesting. The scroll button here looks good. It looks not too bad. Not too bad. Doesn't look amazing, but it's not too bad. I like it. The Monster Maker 9001 SUX. All right, let's go ahead and edit our game. Monster Maker 9001 SUX. Save it here. Let's go ahead and make it public. Save. There we go. Now anyone can make monsters. All right, we're gonna take a quick break here. All right, there's our Monster Maker 9001 SUX. Anyone can make monsters. We're gonna go ahead and start working on our project profile next. Honestly, I feel like maybe I should put the monsters out here. I don't think we can do that. Edit theme. They can either be hidden. I like how auto just says hidden or sidebar or hidden. Yeah. So I think it's saying the default is hidden. Okay. Lieutenant Conquer. How you doing, my friend? Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm having a wonderful day here. We've been working on our Monster Maker. Getting our project page set up. So we just finished our Monster Maker like template project. We're gonna go through now. We're gonna turn it into a class project. We're gonna turn it into a class project. So I'm gonna do a write-up for it, explaining how to do add these different components, how to break it down into steps, how to get started, open up your project, that sort of stuff. So we're gonna be putting together a little web page for this project here. Yeah. I hope you've been well, but we're gonna take a quick break here. We're going for a little less than 90 minutes. Usually we go 90 minutes before a break. We're going a little bit less, but I'm ready to transition into the next thing here. But we had a lot of fun making our monsters here. Look at these monsters here. Look at these guys. They're so cool. It's so fun. And we could turn, I'd love to make it so you could like turn them into stickers and stuff. That would be fun too. Or one thing, maybe I can team up with the art class. Ooh, maybe we can do a collab class and get the art class to make the different components. We did it. We submitted our game 80 minutes before it was due. Let's go, Captain Enosa. Let's go, folks. Captain Enosa, congratulations. Congratulations. I bet you're exhausted here. Folks, give Captain Enosa a follow if you want to go watch an incredible game dev journey. Captain Enosa, I hope you've been well. Glad you're able to get it submitted. Yeah, I think it'd be really cool to team up with the art class and then have the students be able to add in those different assets so it becomes a thing that you could do here. It'd be so cool. Yeah, that's why I decided not to do Pirate Software Jam, because I had just done 2 game jams in a row. I was exhausted, and then I got super sick, so I'm glad I didn't. We got links to it, Enosa. Feel free to drop them in the Discord or here in chat. I do have to take a break. We'll be back, folks. Don't go anywhere. Captain Coder will return momentarily. All right, we're back. Missed you guys. I missed you. Captain Anosa, Nerd Waffle, thank you so much for sharing your projects with us. I hope you had fun with it. Captain Anosa's planning to make a What Did I Learn? I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to that. It's so important to reflect on. Thank you guys for the hats. We had a catastrophe earlier. So if you give me a moment here, I will pick up. I'll pick up the hats, and we'll start anew. We'll start anew. Beegs, welcome back to the stream, my friend. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you got some rest. Did you get your submission in? I know you've been working hard. You guys have been working crazy hard on your project. Thank you for the hat. I think we need 2 hats. Look, correct me if I'm wrong. Did we get 2 hat redeems? 1 hat. 2 hat just through the final build-up? Nice. Nice. How'd your project come out? How do you feel about it? Are you proud? Nerd Waffle, this looks cool. Arrow controls arrows to move, space to shoot. This is hard for me. Do WASD work? I don't know if I can play this if WASD doesn't work. We'll find out here in just a moment. WASD does not work. Oh, that music. Intense. Some intense music here, Nerd Waffle. Yeah, so my keyboard is kind of crazy. So we're gonna play in crazy mode. So I have left and right, just so you get here. Let me show you guys. How's the music? Is the music too loud? I can turn it down a little bit. Welcome back, Gallo, Sky Ninja. Great to see you guys. Hope you're having a beautiful day. This looks cool. Just so you guys can see my crazy keyboard setup. I got the left and right arrows on that side. I got the up and down arrows on this side, and then spacebar on that thumb. So we're gonna give it a try. See how we do. The music is epic. Health and cast. Oh, I'm almost out of casts. Oh, that's rotating me. The field of view is super wide. Not a long game. There's no win coin, but it's a game. Oh, what happened? I got, I think. I got. That's okay. It's all about trying things, learning things, giving yourself the best you can, right? So the question is, did you learn something? If you learned something, then you won. Oh, there must be a monster. Oh, it's getting got by this guy. Oh man, my controls are so bad. There are enemies. I got. We need a restart button. Let's try again. The wackiest keyboard you ever seen? It's for my carpal. This game needs a strafe. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna come down here and turn around so I can blast him. Oh no! All I got is a punchy. Ah! They're gonna get me. How do I switch back to my weapon? All right, we're going for the running strategy. All right. Get away from me, crazy cockroach man. The cockroach people are gonna get me. I love it. The Claw. Is that the name of this game? The Claw? Could be. This is great. A great start. Is this your first 3D attempt at a 3D game? Thank you so much for sharing, Nerd Waffle. Not bad. There's a full screen option during testing. There's a chance the game controls will lose functionality. Oh no, just refresh the river. This is gonna happen. Mars9T, welcome back. Hope you're having a beautiful day, my friend. Great to see you. Captain Anosa submitted the game Penumbra. It's a turn-based tactics dungeon crawler game. Summon shadow creatures using alchemy and controls them to fight against enemies. Yeah, that was from the game style. Yeah. Folks, if you guys don't know, I forgot to give a shout out. We're going to give a shout out here to Beegs. Beegs, I'm glad you're able to get some stuff in. Folks, did you guys know Beegs is going to be the challenger in next month's Mechanically Challenge? If you want to find out what that challenge is going to be, can check out Mechanically Challenged website. I'll be posting it sometime tomorrow. No stream tomorrow, but we will be posting it tomorrow. We're going to be going over solutions to the previous mechanics of portals on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. I'm very challenging. My parents always told me, it's true, you are. Beeks is the challenger. The challenger. Is it how to get a haircut? Calm down, JD. Calm down. No judgment here. No, this is a judgment-free zone. It's a judgment-free zone. Fight Beeks. Uh-oh. Do we have to ban JD? What does ban do? Was that just good timing? I think that was just good timing. It made it look like it said that, but that was just the timing. WASD, select units, game design. All right, WASD, arrow keys to move the camera. This is interesting. I'm freshly shorn, almost bald. I like mayo and pizza. Get out. Look, it was judgment free before Mars 9T ruined everything. Mars 9T, where's the timeout? Timeout, Mars 9T, 90 days. Mars 9T, you know I love you. You know we love you. Right select, deselect, select. My keyboard is so crazy. This art is great. Credits. Lead line, Leon Mahi Urushinaki. Music programmers Anosa, Leon, tile set. Nice. Settings. We got sliders. Get that strobe effect going. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Move. Look at that cat shadow go. Attack. Oh. Guess I'll just have to wait. Summon. 100 materials, 200 materials, never mind. End turn. It's the enemy turn. Look at them go. They got that like leg thing going. All right, move. Should have called this cat ack. Oh, yo, look at this. That was cool. All right, can I summon another cat? All right. Can I move it on the turn it was summoned? Let's go. Come in here. I'm gonna wait. All right, end turn. The enemy's turn. They're coming at us. Ooh, they moved behind us to get us from behind. They taken us from behind. Got them. Took them out. The art is gorgeous. I gained 75 materials. That's 3/4 of a shadow cat. That music is good. Next level. Only 2 levels. That's okay. Short, sweet. Make me happy. Attack. That's so cool. The animations are really good. Right, do I have enough materials to summon a cat? Oh, I should have summoned the other thing. I didn't have enough material. Never mind. All right, hang on. We'll get it some more points. Let's move here. Shadow cat. This jam. Here they come. They're coming. The AI maybe needs a little bit of work. I would be curious what the AI is doing here. It looks like it maybe is just moving randomly. I'm not sure. The AI is kind of, yeah, it looks like it's got a little bit of something going on with it. All right, we're gonna attack here. Can I attack and then move? Kovalaki, welcome back to the stream. Hope you're having a beautiful day. All right, got him. Oh, I can attack and then move. I kind of like the position I'm in. I might move down here since the AI probably won't try and get me. I have 175 materials. All right, wait, move. Come on. Big money. Big money. Get him. Get him. Since your team is clearly so good at art, having a portrait in the corner when you select the units could do some... yeah. Be a nice little flair there. Amazing art. I'm absolutely stunned by the animations in the attack. Time, right? There's never enough time. Even a 2-week jam feels... honestly, a 2-week jam, I always feel like there's way too much time to make it so that I don't have enough time. All right, we're gonna take this guy out. I don't know if I actually get any bonus for being here. The art is so good, yeah. Zapped, yeah, 2 weeks is like so much time to let yourself like get overwhelmed. All right, let's summon a rock monster. Or this guy looks like it has a weapon. All right, yeah, it has a ranged attack. That's what I want. All right, look at him go. I want to see this guy in action. All right, we're gonna see him in action soon enough. I'm gonna withdraw. I'm gonna wait for him to come to me because, you know, the AI knows how to get over here, I'm sure. And we got a different type of enemy. That was interesting. All right, move. Blast him. Went right through that wall. Boom! Took him out. Easy peasy. Try it. Can't get me. Hacks. Hacks. AI's cheating. AI hacks. All right. This is such a cool start to a game. The controls are simple. I like the controls. It's just not for the full process. Just coding or prototyping it might be too much. But when documented design paper, it's just right. It can feel good. Can feel good. All right, we're gonna get you from a distance. Come at me, bruh. Bruv. Bruv. All right, I'm coming for him. It's way harder than it looks. Yeah, I did a tactics game for the Dungeon Crawler Jam. Boom! Took him down. Nailed it. 175. Let's go. Nice. Captain Onosa, I want more. I need more. Give me more. Captain Onosa, more. More. I need it. I need it, Captain Onosa. I need more. Why would you give me this and not give me enough to satiate me? Satiate me, Captain Onosa. Didn't get to see the best animations? Yeah, send me if you got a link for it. That would be cool. I'd love to see the attack animation of that enemy. If you're able to, are you going to send it on the Discord? Or just a link, anything would be fine. Yeah, Nerd Waffle, my boy got a glow up. Look at that. Nerd Waffle sharing this over on the Discord. Folks, we do have a Discord. Nice. This pixel art's fantastic. Nerd Waffle, if you're still with us, did you make the pixel art? It's some good pixel art. I like it. For the number of pixels that are available. Very nice work. Thank you for sharing this with us. Points. Add Captain Onosa. 500 points. Add Nerd Waffle. 500 points. Thank you guys so much for sharing. That was fun. That was fun. Oh, nice little detour there. I forgot I was on my face. My face. Let's get some ginger tea in here. That ginger. That ginger's good stuff. Yeah, Zaf, share it. We'll do one more. I have some time. I do need to do a write-up here. The write-up here, I've never quite done one on stream. I think it's going to be boring to watch. Stretch. Two friends and myself just finished our first game jam. Pirate Software. It was 2 weeks too. We just butchered the timeline. Total miscalculation, but I guess we learned. That's how you learn. Pagorli, congratulations on your number 7. Not bad. It works with a controller. Let's go, Zaft. You love it. I love it. If you're good, it should take 55 seconds. So I got a D-pad. A to jump. B to dash. Or X. Okay. Respawn with triangle. Okay. Let's try it. Run it. It's enhanced. Enhance. Full screen. Here we go. Blink. Do I need to do something? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There it goes. Oh, let me get the music for you guys. Hang on. Unenhance. Let's get the desktop audio. There we go. Enhance. Uh-oh. The full screen. Is this what it's supposed to look like, full screen? Nothing. No, nothing works. Nothing works. All right, I guess full screen is not going to be a thing I want to click. I tried clicking. We'll try it without full screen. We'll try it without full screen. Oh, you know what it is? My gamepad's not plugged in. That'll do it. That'll do it. If your gamepad's not plugged in, you probably cannot use it to play games. Let's plug it in here. First try. First try. All right, let's try it now. Do I have to use the mouse on this screen? All right, so my gamepad is plugged in now. Oh, there we go. There we go. Jump. Ooh, mid-air dash. Very nice. Got a little map. Level 1, stepping into the sun. There we go. I like this. This is super cool. The shader you're using on this seems really cool too. That's one thing that's interesting about Godot. Like when it first loads a shader, you get that like little bump. Uh-oh, I missed it. Can I do anything with that? Maybe not. All right, I like the shadows. All right. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with those or if I am supposed to be touching those. Oh no. Oh, if I run, oh, that's a checkpoint. Nice. Yeah, the shaders on it are pretty cool. According to the page, our lad did the art as well. Nice. Yeah, this is a 72-hour jam. Oh, let's try again. I like when I'm moving. It's a little subtle things. When you move, you see how the character like slides back. There's like a little skew put on it. That's super cute. All right. I'm a big fan of platformers like this, precision platformers. I really get a lot out of them. Okay, so I'm powering up slowly here. Get some ice. Okay. There are 14 particle emitters in the character. Wow. All right. The lighting is cool. I like that. I love this little map preview we get. That's like a nice little touch there. There's a little bit of a, I love the, oh, such a cool little character. Did you do the art for this? I'm assuming you did. Simple art, but effective. Okay. Oh, maybe I'm not supposed to go that way? Or I'm missing some. Oh, I can dash multiple times in the air. Okay, this is... okay, so you reuse some shaders you had done in the past. Okay, this... Okay, cool. So the candle is making this refresh faster. Oh, making me overheat, actually. Was that not refreshing? The theme was overheat. Gotcha. Okay, so I'm actually cooling down here. When I move, it seems to go down. Okay, so I'm trying not to overheat. Okay, the fridge. All right, so this fridge is cooling me down. That makes sense. Really cool. Okay. Come here. Watch out for the candle. We're moving. We're grooving. We can do, all right, let me do this. So I like that I can just keep jumping and dashing, but not indefinitely because I need to be careful. Where's my ship? Where is it? Oh, I like the looks of this thing over here. Let's go see if we can get to that. The jam is, oh, it's a speed run jam. Gotcha. This is super cool. Look at me go. Look at me go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Into the void. I did it. And the whole level was just a red herring. The whole level was just a red herring, apparently. All right. Let's get the fridge. Ups and downs. All right. Boom. I like the idea of a jam that's about speedrunning because all the games will need to be short, right? Did you ever play a game called 6 Second Ninja? This, like, that is one of the few games I ever learned how to speedrun. Every level, you only have 6 seconds to beat the level in 6 Second Ninja. 55 seconds, that's the best high score right now. That's awesome. For all of the levels. 20 seconds faster on your own? Wow. Uh-oh. I got. Motion Run, welcome in. Happy Wednesday, my friend. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Oh, boy. Maybe I'm supposed to go up here. I'm overheating. Interesting. All right, the map. I'm going to try and get up over here. I didn't quite make it. Ah. I feel like I can't make it over there. From Practice, I wanted to check you out. Well, welcome into the stream. We are playing, this is a game jam submission by Zaft to a 72-hour game jam. I don't know what happened. What happened? Now you're thinking with fridges. Am I in the portal? So I have to like, I made it to the checkpoint. Why can I not? Can I not overheat? What's happening? The screen's getting crazy. Whoa! What is going on? Zapped. Is this supposed to happen? What is going on? Little Frosty, welcome into the stream. I have no idea. I feel like I'm stuck. Can I get out of here? I was trying to destroy myself. So that way, oh, I just hit respawn. I forgot there's a respawn button. I can respawn at it. All right. So that way I can think with, now I can think with fridges. Little portal reference there. Okay, got it. Yeah, so I needed to be able to respawn, press the button to respawn. I was like, did I accident? I unintentionally beat the last level, so I didn't know quite what happened. I love that emote. Those emotes are crazy. All right, nothing up there. Too slow. Got it. What a cool idea. All right. I did it. If I just spam the key, that's definitely the strategy, right? I want on the keypad, I want my bumpers to be my dash, and I want them to be directional. That would be my biggest change, is on the keypad, make the dash directional, where if I press L or R bumper, it'll dash that direction. That's like that's one thing I would like to see changed. It's a very common thing in a lot of games to have the dash be directional on gamepads like that. Oh, no! I saw it. I saw my fridge. Oh, man. Oh, I'm melted. I like that you're an ice cube. That's a really cool character. The controls feel super awkward, or maybe it's my controller here to get the timing right. So I feel like I can't, once I start falling, I feel like I can't dash. Yeah, I can't dash when I'm falling. I have to hit, I can only dash. Okay. So I can't, I have to jump dash. Okay, so I am gonna have to end up down here then, or something. So I'm trying to avoid going into that spot. Let's see. Oh, like as I fall, I gotta be careful so I can get that that spot in there. Redston, congratulations on your number 27. Not too shabby. It's just one level after this. I don't know if I can beat this one. I don't know if I'm good enough. You have to jump midair and dash before falling. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, I'm trying to make it. I'm not sure I can get to that spot. Yeah, can you post a link to the jam, Zaft? Feel free to drop your link to this project again as well. If anyone wants to play it, controls feel quite good. Oh, so close. All right, we can do it. I missed it. Yeah. Yeah, so you can't, Tuner Nerds, you can't jump on the top platform, I think so. You have to still have your jump available. I got close. So I can't, after you dash, you have to jump if you want to be able to dash again. There we go. Woo! Did it. Easy. First try. First try, folks. Nailed it. All right. Oh my goodness. Why would you do this to me, Zaft? Zaft, why do you hate me? Zaft, you monster! Whee! I did it! Easy. Oh, there we go! We're in our ice cube ship. Can you guys hear the tap, tap, tap? Ice cube ship. Return to our ice planet. We going to Pluto? Button mash the game, yeah. Never claimed to be a great streamer, a great gamer. Enter player name, the Captain Slow. The Captain Coder. Let's go. And you have like you have a global leaderboard? Best time. That's wild. That's wild. Very, very nice. Very, very nice app. Thank you so much for their points. Add Zaft. 500 points. Thank you so much for sharing that with it. Really, really great little game there. Speed Jam. Speed Jam. Very nice work. I love that. That was great. Motion Run. Thank you so much for the follow. Motion Run. Thank you for following the Captain Coder. Motion Run. Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for the follow. Wonderful to have you here. Fantastic stuff. Captain Nosa, you sent me the gift. Let's check it out. Let's go. Of that attack. Look at this animation. Oh, that's so good. Your artist, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Can I steal them for my projects? Can I steal them for my game jams? Captain, I know some fast one. Little Frosty XD, thank you so much for the follow. Have you met Frosty? XD, little Frosty, you know you're great, you're grand, you're cool. Thank you so much for following me today. Thank you so much for the follow. So happy to have you guys here. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Welcome in, everybody. We've got a lot of new people here. I am Captain Coder. Captain Coder is me, and me is Captain Coder. And Captain Coder is a computer science educator. My full-time job, my Monday to Friday job, is teaching computer science and programming at a school for ages 10 to 14. This stream is dedicated to learning and coding and growing together as a crew. We have a Discord where you can share your stuff you're doing. Are you a singer? I'm not a singer. Well, you know, in the sense that I sing, I'm a singer. We are working on creating a Monster Maker project. It's going to be a project for my students. It's a project we're making for my students. It's going to be a class project they make where they can create, we're making this in Godot. And so I'm going to be building out a class project write-up for it. I'm building out a class project write-up here. And in this project, they can change out these different components on this monster. So that's what we've been working on the last couple of days. My goal is to have this finished. We finished the core project. Now my goal is to have the actual write-up and class project finished with all the steps and challenges by Thursday. So we have a few more days to get this done, but we can make little monsters, and we're having a lot of fun with it, making these guys. So yeah, we've had a lot of fun here. Have a lot of fun. If you want to go check out the Monster Maker, you want to submit your own monsters, feel free to do so. You can. Granger, I'm having a beautiful day. Any day I can wake up and code is a beautiful day, and today is a beautiful day because of all of you fine folks out there. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, we just moved this to the Godot 4.3. So we have our core project here. I want to create an asset package that contains all of these things already put in their folders for the students to make it a little bit easier to organize so they don't have to manually do that. So what I want to do is come over to my let's do a commit here before I forget. Git status, git add, git commit -m feature. It's really a chore. Update project to Godot 4.3 and add itch page. I usually don't stream on Thursdays, so I won't be streaming tomorrow. But I should be back on Friday, I think. I might not stream this Friday. We have some stuff going on Thursday night. But yeah, I typically don't stream on Thursday morning, at least during the summer. Right now, my schedule is Thursday. I actually might be back. I might stream tomorrow because normally we go out on Wednesday night, but we had to change plans. So we're going out Thursday night. So maybe I'll stream tomorrow. Let me update my schedule too. I forgot to update my schedule here. If you guys want to keep up to date with the schedule, you can find it over on the Discord as well. It's under the schedule channel here. Into the schedule channel. So this is my typical schedule. You'll see your own. I did update this. I thought for a second that I hadn't updated Wednesday yet. On that lava, if you are stuck for more than 1 minute, a second ship comes, picks you up. You happen to be exactly at the point in the screen. Ah, gotcha. I thought I was dying. It just got kind of funky in that situation. Thanks for the heads up, Zaft. Okay, so we got this committed. We're gonna take screenshots and start creating a document here. Okay, so let's make a new page. Make dir docs. Okay, do a .NET, not .NET. Maybe we could do a .NET serve. Code index.html here. We're gonna put together a web page for this project. HTML, head, title. The title of this project is Monster Maker Godot UI Exploration Monster Maker. Or should it be called Monster Maker Godot UI Nodes? So we're learning about Godot UI nodes in this project. That's the whole idea. H1 Monster Maker. H2 Godot UI nodes. And we should probably add a little bit of a class to this. Call this title. We'll put this on class subtitle like that. So you guys, we're gonna do a little bit of HTML today. You're gonna learn a little bit of HTML. It'll be fun. It'll be great. It'll be grand. You can do a show preview here. pop this out in a separate window. Oh no, HTML, our nemesis here. So we're gonna do some HTML. This is a cool little tool that lets us preview what it's gonna look like as we make changes. So you'll notice the right side updates as we go. It's not JavaScript. We might do a little bit of JavaScript, but probably not. Basically, this is gonna be a document that my students will use to do some stuff. No. What would I do? Maybe we could make it a Blazor. I just want to keep it simple. The JavaScript will just be like little things like clicking. I actually don't think we actually have to do any real JavaScript. All right. But let's go ahead and add in a, what is it? Do it ref? Is this how I do a style sheet? Or does style sheet, do I have to reference this way? Source. I think I link a style sheet this way. Trail sparks, follow the cursor, it's the law. What is this, the 90s? I always forget how to link in a style sheet. Let's create a new folder here. Styles. I could probably just do styles as our base style sheet. File new, styles.css, like so. But then I have to host it like as a web server type stuff. I've done a lot of stuff with Blazor. Using type, I agree. Motion, I absolutely agree. I'm a big fan of typed languages, but then you have to do a compile thing. Yeah, I can never quite remember, but what we're gonna do to figure it out here is I'm just gonna create a title here like this. And I think, does CSS like to be this way or this way? I can't remember. Maybe, all right. Should we do we want to make this a Blazor project instead? Do we want to go overkill and do Blazor project? Color blue, like this. So we'll do a color blue like this. And then we should, once we get this working, href is equal to styles.css, type, style sheet. Don't I put style sheet? This can't be right. Let's go find it. HTML add style sheet. How to add style sheet. Rel is what I'm missing. Relation, that stands for relation. Ooh, it didn't work. Or does this need to get refreshed? I must have done something wrong. Pure HTML. What should I use instead? What am I doing wrong? Oh, style sheet. Thank you. There we go. Got our monster maker here. No, we want to keep it as simple as possible. I don't want to have to have a whole framework that I compile and I deploy. I just want as simple as possible, just like a simple little web page. See, I should have done it in Markdown and used a template generator. Todd, how's it going, friend? Happy to have you here on this beautiful day. Next.js is not bad for static pages. If I was gonna really build a tool to do this, I'd probably do it in Blazor. I'm gonna go and have this stretch out here all the way. I'm gonna have it go over our questions queue. So I just need a little extra space here, like this. But the idea, did someone say React? JD, someone did say it. You wear when you go out. These framework zombies. Quicksilver, welcome into the stream. Yeah, we got to be careful not to get too crazy about this stuff. Godot UI nodes. Okay, I like to keep it simple. I'm definitely not a web dev. Neither am I. I've done web dev stuff, but I'm certainly don't feel like I'm a web dev. The main thing with web pages, HTML, it defines the content of a document. It doesn't actually define that stuff. Mostly Maxi, let's check it out. I think we found my GeoCities, NeoCities. Let's see, the perfect site.neocities. Yeah, I like this type of stuff. This is a website and it's really perfect. Seriously, what else do you want? You probably build websites and think your website is special. I feel like we found my website at some point. Hang on, let's see if I can go find it. See if I can go find it. I can never find it. We found it at one point. Hang on. And wondering if, oh, let's try Google. I feel like Bing doesn't do it. You know, the first thing I used was basic BBC code. Yeah, so I teach an HTML CSS class. Yeah. Here we go. We might have found it here. We might have found it. Give me a second here. This is like the when I was a little kid. Maxie, welcome back. How have you been, by the way? There's a famous version of that. All right, this is bad. Here, let's see. Let's see if this will load up here. This isn't my webpage, but this has a link to my webpage on it. Oh, this link doesn't work though. Let's see if I do this. Will it load? Come on. Come on, load for us. Load for us. Do it. Do it. We might get it. You made a tank game. Very cool. Very cool. All right, all right, let me move this off to the side because it does dox me a little bit. But let me see, I can use this tool. Here is my old, this is hilarious. All right. We're missing a little bit here. All right, I think we showed this on stream, right? You didn't optimize your site as a kid? It has like this broken search engine thing. I have a Goku GIF. Oh, hang on, we're blurred. Let's unblur. We have a Goku GIF, obligatory Goku GIF added to your website. JD, congratulations on your 19 wish list there. So you got obligatory Goku GIF. We've got links, but they're not just links. Some of them are just regular links here. And then some of them have square brackets around them. This is the website God made. I had down here, but it was playing a MIDI. Loads up and plays a MIDI. I made a graphic here. I used to love Dragon Ball Z, yeah. Is there a guest book? There is. Let's see if we go find the guest book. There used to be a guest book down here. It's missing. It's like broken. Better than most corporate sites. Look, we have our log. December 3rd. All of my entries are all from one day. I was just so excited to have made a web page. Were you in a web ring? Look, I was so excited to have made a web page that all of my entries are all from the same day, and then I got bored. I never made another one. I'm 10 years old, and it is Japanimation. I've memorized every show. There are only 56 episodes. This is how it used to be. I used to play all day and all night. Then Sega Genesis came out. Look, the Sega Genesis came out because you know what? Sega does what Nintendo don't. I used to be a total weeb. It's true. I used to be a total weeb. Look, we can go to the joke corner. Let's see if this page will load. Used to. That's right. Apparently these links don't work. Anyway, did you give energy to Goku? I have my Dragon Ball Z page. Yahoo. I got a link to Yahoo, folks, just in case. Yahoo.com doesn't work anymore. That's too bad. Look, I was like, look, folks, go to Yahoo. Yahoo was the best. Yahoo. That was the place to be. All right, folks. I should bookmark that. Okay. So we are putting together a simple web page that's going to describe how to make the monster mix. We're going to go through and build out this document as we go and have it over here. And then we'll stylize it a little bit as we go. That was probably before I was born. Dragon Ball used to come on Sunday. So it was not popular when I was watching it. It used to come on TV on Sunday mornings at like 4 or 5 in the morning. I've always been woke up early. I wake up at 2:30, 3:30 every day. But it used to come on Sundays at like 4 or 5 in the morning, and I would wake up and I'd watch it. It'd be on like some random channel. It was before it was on Cartoon Network. We didn't have cable. And I remember there were like 50 episodes, and it'd get to the end and then it would restart. And I got super into it, and then I would go into the comic store and buy the manga. Manga. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but the comics. And I'd read them. You had a cart with Super Mario Bros. Duck Hunt and Olympic Track Games. That was like a game. My cousin had that one. I never had the Olympic Track Games. Maxie, how the heck have you been? What are you working on? You streaming today? Folks, be sure to go give Mostly Maxie some love. Up and coming streamer, does a lot of Rust dev. Maxie claims that they're gonna start checking out Godot. So if you want to watch someone learning Godot on stream, go check out Mostly Maxie. You have VHS tapes? I actually have the whole Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z collection. I have it all on DVD. I do like it. Waxin, welcome back to the stream. Hope you're having a beautiful day, my friend. Live in the afternoon. I've made that claim for a while. I know. I feel like you're just goading me on a little bit. I feel like you're leading me on. Maxie, just teasing that Godot. Teasing. Little tease out there, goading us on, making us think we're gonna get it, just to stretch out that content. I would cheat on the long jump off the pad, then jump back on before it was a foul. So, JD, we used to do the thing where you'd run and you'd jump off, and then you'd hit it with your hands. You'd hit it, so you'd go down on, you'd jump off, land on your knees, and then hit the pad with your hands. I do remember that. You get going, you get running on it. We're 100% totally not a cult. It's true. Not a cult. Maxi, procrastination. So maybe, you could call your channel the Procrastination Station. Yeah, we used to do that. I think everyone did that. You just shake your heels really fast. Just get on the ground and slap it with your hands. Or plug in the controller. You could actually just tap the buttons with your fingers. Mostly procrastinating. Yeah. Procrastination. Okay. We want to, all right, so what are the sections here? How are we gonna break this down into our different sections? This is sort of gonna be like an index page here. Let's create a new page here. This one is gonna be getting, I wanted to create, all right, before this, got a little bit distracted by creating this. I want to come in here. We need to take our sprites and export all the sprites so we have all the different components. All right, so let's show this in our file manager. All right, so these are the sprite assets. We're gonna give them to the students in this way. Monster sprites. Zip this up, and we wanna make sure that I can import properly here. Go ahead and cut this. We'll drop this into our docs. We're gonna create a new folder called assets. Maybe call it files, I'm not sure. Assets, monster sprites. We're gonna make it so that it can download the assets here, like that. And we're gonna create a page here, getting started. Oh, overview, maybe do an overview here. I never know. H3, overview. Call this class. Maybe H3 just becomes our actual header. Okay, overview. In this project, you will create you will learn how to use several of the UI nodes provided by. Ooh, that doesn't work. Thought my Alt Q would work here. Well, I have to fix that. Maybe I need to set that up here. Zoom out just a little bit. You'll learn UI nodes provided by Godot to create a monster maker program. Oh, it does wrap. It's just my lines are so far out. I want to set those to 80. Format. There we go. Can I set that to 80? How do I set settings? wrap. Word column wrap, it is set to 80. I wanted to draw the line at 80. Line. I don't know if I can set this directly in the editor. I might have to do it separately in the settings file. Want there to be a line here? All right, let's change this line. Hang on, is this actually what's going on here? Settings, wrap. There's no way, 40. Yeah, it's not doing it there. 80. On. Word wrap com. There we go. There we go. Now it won't go off the screen for you guys. Perfect. That's what I want. Okay. This project, blah, blah, blah. We'll add some more text here. In our getting started, we'll do start download. This project uses. Yeah, Alt-Z wasn't working. Well, it was. It just wasn't setting it to the line link that I wanted. Freedom Dow, welcome back. Snowies. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry. Welcome back. Great to see you. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Uses Kenny's. Let's get a link to it here again. Kenny, I keep unlinking it. Oh, and we can actually put the build in there like this. Hang on. Modifier similar to the one below. All right, we'll do an iframe here. And we'll have our build. Let's take this. We're going to take our build. Create a new folder. Call it, nope. Create. Stop. Create a new folder. Why? Why? Oh my goodness. That is crazy. There we go. Build. Someone said Godot cult. Look, it's not a cult. Just a group of people who happen to share a similar culture. It's not a cult. It's a culture. I joined the not cult. Definitely not a cult. All right. So put a build here. Similar to the project below. And then we'll put an iframe here. Iframe. Can I set it up so it doesn't launch automatically? I might have to see. This is where it's a little bit of JavaScript might be helpful. Source equals build like this. Yeah, automatically loads. Can we do a style? We'll do a class preview. This is just like a bad idea. Apparently it's a bad idea to have this here as part of our live preview. That's too bad. We'll make it a little link that you can play similar to the one linked here. It'd be nice to have it be on this page. Can you give me the code? Yeah, Snowies. I'm so sorry. I see the letters and I want to say Snow Eyes. Snowies. I know it's Snowies, but I see it and my brain says Snow Eyes, and then it realizes they're not either. Snowies. I'm so sorry. Let me ask you something about the web things. Go for it, Coaxed. Welcome in. It's great to welcome back. And welcome back, Duchain. Well, thank you for giving me that permission. I'll do my best. I like to try and get the names correct. Really what we need to do is make it so there's a little thing that you have to click to make this load.
Whoa.
Fix it. 42. How are you? Thank you for raiding me today. Fix-It42, how you been? Welcome into the stream. What have you been working on and what you been fixing? Welcome to the stream, folks. Be sure to give Fix-It42 a follow. Click that heart. Give her some love. Click it. Click it. Click that heart. Did you click it? If you didn't click it again. Welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. How was your stream? What were you working on? Tell us all about it. Should I keep using TypeScript plus SCSS plus Bento, or should I move to using TypeScript, SCSS plus Fresh? I'm actually not familiar with Fresh. I am a fan of TypeScript most of the time. SCSS is fine as well. If you're doing a project that's has any level of substance, you definitely don't want to be doing like raw HTML like I'm doing. This is literally just a document that will probably get turned into like linked between other things. So my goal here isn't to make a whole framework for posting things, just a little things. A portfolio website, I think that'd be fine. I've never used Ventor or Fresh, so I don't know what those are. Sorry about that. I am a fan of TypeScript though. Try Hack Me Box, slow brute forcing. Nice, nice. Were you able to get it? Were you able to brute force it? Perhaps, maybe. Okay, so what I want to do here, let's create a div. I'm gonna comment this out. We're gonna create a div. And this div here is actually going to be our class preview, like this. And this thing is actually gonna have our iframe in it. And it's going to allow us to have some situation. Let's create an ID here, actually. Maybe we could do it just on preview, project preview. So we will have to write a little bit of JavaScript here. You're welcome for the shout out. Thank you so much for the raid, Fix It. So glad to have you here. If you know Nunchucks, I don't, you probably know Vento as the better version. Yeah, I'm not familiar with Nunchucks. Sorry. I don't do a lot of web dev. Mars06, welcome back. How you doing, friend? Hope you're having a beautiful day. Great to see you on this beautiful Wednesday. Hope you're having a beautiful Wednesday. Yeah, I don't do a lot of web dev. Most of my background is on like back end, low end system stuff. I did a lot of embedded systems. I worked on compilers. I worked on programming languages. So that's sort of what my background is. Snowies, thank you so much for that. Let's check. Put this in the HTML, add a CSS class on the iframe called Godot lazy load. Put the URL in an attribute called data source instead of source here. Okay, I'm gonna create a folder called scripts. We'll create a new file. This one's called lazy load .javascript. I hate that it wants to load it up over there. Ooh, does it have to be a document.ready? No, it's just a function here. Let's look at what this function's doing. Ooh, you're using jQuery. You're using jQuery. Are we supposed? I feel like we're not supposed to use jQuery anymore. Is jQuery still a thing that we're supposed to use? I have to include jQuery. I try not to do stuff like that. jQuery is still used. jQuery used to be super used. Yeah, jQuery was back in the day. All right, so back in the day before there were web frameworks and standardizations of JavaScript and web browser, there was jQuery, which was people maintaining this open source library to make things cross web compatible, like in Netscape. Never Drupal still uses jQuery. All right, is jQuery still used? Although it may be, it's still used, and although it may be outdated, it has been countless. This is according to whatever here. They just came out with a new version of jQuery recently, I believe. Okay, gotcha. Well, I can do this. I think I can do this without jQuery. I'm gonna create a thing called lazy. I'm just trying to function load. Like if I'm using jQuery, it just basically means I have to include jQuery. jQuery is slower now here. Yeah, I don't do a lot of web dev in these days. Array of emotions, welcome in. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I was under the impression we kind of didn't use that anymore. What this here is saying, it says go find anything called Godot lazy load. Okay, lazy load. And so the equivalent would be document.get element by class name Godot lazy load. That is what this is like a shorthand to select to call this here. Everything has its pros and cons, right? Everything has its pros and cons. And what you've done then is you add in a data source value, or you get the data source value. All right, so then you're doing a for each on this here. Dot each. And then IDX frame. You're essentially doing this in here, like that. So I think this is the equivalent jQuery, and then you're doing a document.ready, which I could add directly into our HTML as well. I actually want it. Okay, so you have this load game, lazy load button. I haven't used jQuery in more than 10 years. I feel like I've used it at my last job. We used it. So I wrote using jQuery. Oh, it's fine. I just don't want to have to include it, right? That's part of it. I think this is sort of the same. Insert after frame. Okay. And then we do. This is like at the end. I think the DOM arrays don't have for each. Okay, well then HTML, it returns a collection of. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. You have to do dot for each. So you have to dot for each. I could also just pull this out and have it be an iterator. Really, there's just going to be one of these things, right? So really, really, there's just going to be one that we're going to do. So I could do what would be const let element equal this. Query selector.class gives you the first document dot query selector dot Godot lazy load. Okay. Today I learned. Okay. And then we're gonna do this thing here. We'll call this frame. Some buttons. My keyboard's dying on me, folks. It's doing weird things. I get a new keyboard tomorrow. My new keyboard's coming tomorrow, thank goodness. Let source equal frame dot attributes data source dot value. Okay. And then we're inserting after frame. So I'd have to like build this thing. So this one's interesting. And also get an ID to the element and do get element by ID. Yeah, we could do get element by ID as well. I wish there was a good Hall effect 80% keyboard out there. Interesting. Do I look afraid of code? I'm not afraid of code. Survival, welcome back. Great to see you. Yeah, I ain't afraid of no code. Well, what makes me look like I'm afraid of code? The idea here. Let's see here. Godot lazy load. What is this? Button on click. Okay, so you're gonna set the attribute to the source. Okay, that's kind of cool. Insert after. I don't know that I have to do this here. I've used jQuery, I just haven't used it in a long time. You think I look? I don't. You don't. I think I'm confused on the chat here. He's not afraid of anything except maybe snakes. Snakes. Why is it always got to be snakes? To the DOM manually. Yeah, I think so. I think I can actually add this whole thing manually, right? I was gonna make it a div here, and then just make it when we click a button, that button will put an iframe here. So I actually just put a button, a butt, put a butt high, put a button there, button. There you go. Load game. We'll make this look prettier. We'll load project. Oh my goodness. What button toggles this on and off? Control E, Control Shift E. Ah. Control Shift E does not toggle this. It says Control Shift E toggles it. Oh, it opens it but doesn't close it? Interesting. Load game. Let's put a script source. Is this how we add a script here? It's been a long time since I've done this. Scripts, lazy load. There's no slash. I do a script. Do I do this? I don't do a lot of web dev. I forgot this kind of domination exists. It does, and it's fancy. All script does is add a button after the iframe. Then you click the button, it sets the iframe source or whatever the data source. Yeah, so that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna make it so that when we click this button, what is it? On click equals load project. Load project, like this. Do I have to do this? Load project here. All right, let's try. Is there a way to get? Does anyone know? Can I open? Is there a debug panel for this thing? Dev tool pane. There it is. All right, cool. So we'll be able to debug it here. Let's call this load project. And we'll make this have an ID. Project preview. I don't know if I should have a thing project. I don't know if I should have an ID and a class. We can get rid of this. Document. Let div equal document dot get element by ID. This is our project preview. And we're in HTML, so we like kebab case things. Scripts must not be self-closing for reasons. And let's do a console.log clicked just to make sure, see what's going on here. Load clicked. Okay, it is running this. We're gonna do div dot. I want to add. Yeah, we'll do div dot inner HTML equals. I should have left that iframe there. Iframe. Can we do? Is there like backticks? This is a thing we can do, right? This lets us do multi-line garbage. Frame equals source. Build. Like this. Boom. Did it, nailed it. Easy peasy. Frame. We'll just set this to be a class here. And so this project preview, all right, this project preview, what we can do in our styles, we can say project preview width it or max width is 11. How big is our preview? Scene can sanitize inputs. So something I learned about it, iframes, you can sanitize inputs to prevent cross-site scripting. We shouldn't be able to just set it there, but yeah, 1152 pixels. We want to do, if I do width 100%. Oh, that's interesting. I thought I'd get something slightly different here. Let's load this here. So I can play with this a little bit better. Iframe. Oh, it's because my iframe's not. Okay, so I need to, that's right. So I need to do iframe, we can do something like that, right? There we go. Yeah, so that will be inside. If I resize it, I want it to have a width that takes up as much space as possible, but at most this much space. Does anyone remember how to do it? We raw dogging the DOM, Quicksilver. Yes, we're doing it. We're just going for it. We're going for it. Right? Let's keep it simple. Keep it simple. Is there a way to say I want the width to be 100% or this, whichever is less? That's essentially what I want. Oh boy, oh. Let's keep it PG-11. PG-11 teen stream here. CSS. Congratulations on your number 30, Dev Donut. Welcome in. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Be sure to check out the Dev Donut, folks. Dev Donut, how's your adventures going? How are your adventures going? CSS with fit content max. I can't remember what it is. CSS max width isn't doing what I want. Oh, is it a min? So what I want, I thought this would do it. What I want is I want it to take up 100% of the width, or if the width is greater than 1,152 pixels, I want this set to that. You're surprised? What would we do it instead? I know we could do like a whole framework. I don't need a whole framework to do this. I just want, really all I care about is the content here. Not the CSS ones, but the DOM attributes. So you're saying that I should do, all right, let's get rid of this. Aren't these the same thing here? You're suggesting that I set the iframe rather than doing the CSS values. You're suggesting that I do width equals, what did we say? 115. I already forgot. 52. You're saying I should do it this way? I don't want it to be this size though. I want it to be no pixels. I don't want it to actually take up this much space if it doesn't have it. So the problem here, the problem is I want it to shrink if my page is small. I want it to shrink if my page is small. Okay, I don't want to have a scroll bar. I want it to shrink if my page gets small. And then I want it to maintain the aspect ratio. Is that too much to ask? Is that too many things to want? Am I too desirous of this? I should not need to do it with JavaScript libraries. There's no reason. I know I can do it with CSS. All right, max width 100%. All right, this is we're going with the trust. Okay. All right, now I want the aspect ratio to match. So it'd be aspect ratio 1.7. Is this how we specify aspect ratios in CSS? So now as it shrinks, I want the height. You meant for the UI. For the most part, JavaScript shouldn't be interacting with like how things look. Let's go look at this here. Body. What's our frame? What's going on here? End of iframe. If you're doing, yeah, it's just my personal opinion. I think you can do that stuff. Aspect ratio doesn't seem to do anything. Height 100%. That's not what we want. Height 100%. I want our height to scale down with it. Height 100%, yeah. That's okay. I'm having a mental block with it too. I thought aspect ratio would do it for us. If I get rid of... Yeah. I mean, so really, so Freedom Down, one of the things about web HTML, it's broken into 3 distinct components. And this is where, when I start using like frameworks and stuff to do it, HTML describes the content of a document. It does not describe what it looks like. It does not describe how the user interacts with it. It literally describes the content. The way it's supposed to look, that's what style sheets are for. The style sheets describe what it looks like. And then the JavaScript is supposed to describe how the user interacts with it. That's like the mental model I use. And, you know, I'm not saying that you can't do it other ways, but that is the intended design. Gotcha. To be honest, I've never been able to get rid of the black bars. Yeah. So that's sort of how I try and think about it. And CSS is really powerful these days. You never been able to get rid of. We could just leave them in there, I suppose. We could add some crazy transform thing to it. We could use JavaScript to do it for sure. All right, but we're gonna leave it here like this. One thing, I feel like we could get. Hang on, let's do CSS div maintain aspect ratio. CSS became super powerful, yeah. Padding bottom. Aspect ratio, probably, which makes it simpler to maintain. Am I just not doing 16? Am I not doing aspect ratio correctly? 16 divided by 9. Let me get rid of the height property here. There it is. There it is. There we go. Then coding JavaScript, it's like, ooh, this is fancy. JavaScript is fancy. Nailed it. Easy peasy first try. Ship it. Hang on. Let's copy this over here just so we can test it out. Load game. Perfect. Perfect. All right, that's what we want, just like that. We could potentially shrink it down. Bad Cop, great to see it. How the Bad Cop? I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. What have you been doing? Maybe I actually haven't been on Twitch that much. Is probably what it is. That's super weird. Yeah, that's super weird that way. You're not usually awake this. I haven't seen you stream in a while, folks. Be sure to go give Bad Cop some love. One of my favorite if you want to watch someone bash, right? Bash. Go check out Bad Cop. She's absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for being here, Bad Cop. Hope you're doing well. We're making a little a class project. I'm working on a class project here. We're doing the Monster Maker 9001 SUX, and we're raw dogging. I shouldn't say that word. I think that's an adult word, right? That's an adult concept. Oh boy. Look, I am so naive. That I actually don't know what it's adult. Okay, I don't know what that means, if I'm being completely honest. There've been a couple times I've said things I didn't know what they are. I'm really naive. I don't know what that means. I guess I'm gonna have to Google and stop saying it on my stream. We're PG-11 teen stream, folks. It's varied. Okay. I just assumed it meant like, I don't know. I mean, I thought it was food related, maybe. I don't know. All right, we'll look it up. We're not gonna Google it on stream though. All right, folks, I do have to wrap up here. We're gonna find someone to raid out to. We'll be back. Find it on the Discord. I may be back tomorrow. I think I'm gonna be back tomorrow. I think I'll be streaming tomorrow, which is unusual, but I think we'll be streaming tomorrow. We're gonna keep working on this project. I'm gonna be on the Discord in a few hours. I'm gonna be working on this on the Discord. If you want to come hang out with us on the Discord, we play games, we have a lot of fun, we ask a lot of questions, but I'm going to be working on this on the Discord in a couple of hours, so feel free to come hang out over there. We have a lot of fun. Let's find someone to raid. Because I got to take care of some doggos. Yeah, 8 minutes, I'm sorry, Lance. You didn't quite make it. So close for being here. Look, folks, for being here to witness this momentous occasion. 500 points to all you beautiful people. You beautiful people out there. Hang on. We're going to find someone to raid. Mars, thank you so much for the follow. Mars. Thank you for following me. Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate you. Irish John, what is John? Birthday collab stream. Irish John, what are you doing online? I never get to raid Irish John. I know he's not doing any code stuff, but let's go raid him for his birthday stream. Irish John, incredible game dev. Yeah, I never get to raid John. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Remember to keep coding, keep growing, keep being the best you can be. You're welcome back anytime. We will be back tomorrow. I'm going to be back tomorrow. Be there or be a square shape. Have a beautiful day. We'll see you then. Bye-bye. When we get there, let's wish him happy birthday. Happy day of birth. Happy day of birth. We're gonna get copy paste. I normally don't do raid codes, but copy paste. We're gonna do a happy day of birth to Irish Jern over there, folks. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Remember to keep coding, keep growing, keep being the best you can be. You're welcome back anytime. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.